program. As far as I am concerned, personally, I've taken very few Dawah training programs. I've taken a couple of Dawah training programs for the local people, that the Indians, and I've taken 2 international Dawah training programs in my full life. That's a complete course. One was in 1999, which was for approximately 40 days. The working days were about 23, 24. And the second one we had after several years, that is in 2016, again in Bombay. In both these Dawah training programs, we select 20 people from different parts of the world. We received hundreds and more than 1,000 applications. We selected, and we had a training program in 2016, January and February, for about 50 days. The working days were about 33. And we have recorded this Dawah training program. Personally, for me to conduct Dawah training program is too time consuming. That is the reason the last Dawah training program we recorded it, and inshallah, if time permits, we'll edit it and have it on the satellite channel and other media also. As the question asked, that we have just launched our website. The address is zakirnaik.com. I repeat, our earlier website was closed down because they were associated with an organization, and the allegation laid by the government. At that time, the Islamic Research Foundation was the 4th largest visited Islamic website in the world. We just launched on the 1st of Ramadan a new website by the name zakirnaik.com. And one section in this website is International Dawah Training Program. And when you click, it says coming soon, inshallah. Because Dawah Training Program itself is another website, individually different by itself. We have yet certain portions to be completed in the main website. That's the reason some part says will be coming soon. After we complete the other parts of the website, we will inshallah build our International Dawah Training Program. This International Dawah Training Program on the website zakirnaik.com is an online program, has most of the notes. It will not be as effective as attending it directly. If you attend live, it's a different ball game altogether, a different impact altogether. If you hear it or watch it on a video, it may have about maybe 20% impact. If you do it online, it may have 10% impact, but something is better than nothing. All the notes inshallah will be uploaded on this website. Dawah, how to be done to atheists, to the Christians, to the Hindus, to the Parsis, the impact of Dawah, various aspects of public speaking, and various, it's there. We expect that this would take another 1 or 2 months. Inshallah, in the month of Ramadan, we will complete the other portions which are pending, because this website is voluminous. It is huge. It has a lot of information,